Hello everyone. Today I would be discussing about how to create a new project in Java NetBeans, and I will be discussing about different windows which are there in Java NetBeans. So let's first discuss how to create a new project. In the top left corner you will see new project. By clicking new project you will see three options: Java with Maven, Java with Gradle and Java with Ant. Java with Ant is the very first step to start in Java NetBeans. So you have to select it and you will see Java application, Java class library. So click on Java application and click next. And then it asks project name. So you can write project name, it's your wish. You can write anything. I write my name and then click finish. Then as you can see, a project is made with name Prashant. In the source package you will see a package named Prashant. So just right click on Prashant. And select JFrame form. As you can see, there is the option of class name. You can write any name, it's your choice. I write P1 and click finish. Now after that you will see there is a empty window where you will be making different programs based on your choice using controls. So here we end with the first part of our today's video. So let's begin our second part, which is discussing different windows. As you can see, there is a design area where we add all the components of the form like button, text field, and then we come to the swing control palette, which contains all the components that can be added to the form. Like there are many controls like text area, text field, button, label, and many more. Text field. So these are all used to make the program. Below the palette window you will see a properties window where the properties of the controls are shown, how we can modify the controls. So let's I show you one property like a button. Let's see properties of button. When I put the button to the design area, when I click it shows all the properties which the button contains. There are many properties of it like changing text, changing foreground, font, background. Like we can change anything. Now you will see there is a project window which shows a logical view of important project contents. Note that single project can have multiple forms. There are multiple forms in a single project. Like you can see there is a P1, P2, and many forms can be made in one project. I have selected P1. Now let's come to the inspector window which displays a tree hierarchy of all the components contained in the currently opened form. All the components which there in a single form are shown here. Like you can see J button 3, J button 4, text field 2, text field 3 are all in this form. Let me show you another form. In this form P2 you can see different components in a single form like J button 1, J button 2, text field 1, text field 2, J button 3. This window shows all the components which are used in a single form. As you can see below down there is the output where the output of the desired result is shown. So this was today's video. Hope you like it. Hope it was informative for you. See you in the next video.